Hi guys, welcome to Sleeve of the Month, and this month, for the month of May, we're going to focus on 18-4-11. Mike, thank you for joining me this week.
Absolutely, Tara, thank you.
What makes this sleeve different and why was it brought to the market?
So this particular sleeve is a lot different than all of our other sleeves. This actually has a neoprene coating on it. The coating is exactly the same on both sides, so there is no inside or outside. It's the same material. The other cool thing is that we have high temp thread on this one as well. So high temp and high abrasion thread.
So being that it's so different than the other sleeves, what applications is it used for?
So where we've been very successful in with this particular sleeve is the underwater, seawater or saltwater applications. Also welding, spark and spall, high temp, spot high temp applications, robotics as well.
So speaking of high temp, I see here that we have an 18-4-11 sleeve paired with carbon fiber on the inside. You want to tell me about that?
That is correct. So carbon fiber is a very high temp material, but it's acting as an insulator in this particular material. All it is in essence keeping the 18-4-11 away from here, creating an air barrier so that the temperature doesn't penetrate through or up against the 18-4-11.
What's a specific piece of equipment that you'd maybe find this build on?
We have a tire application where there's steam running through the pipes, and there's an operator that is very close to that steam pipe. So what we've done is we've used carbon fiber to go up against the steam pipe, and then we wrapped it with 18-4-11 just in case the operator will actually touch it. A couple other applications are boom lift trucks. So the hydraulic hoses will articulate with the boom lift truck, and when they're welding, there's spark and spall that would fall on the individual and the hydraulic hoses.
Now, where can someone learn more about this sleeve, Mike?
pythoncovers.com.
Visit pythoncovers.com today or give us a call at 1-800-782-5752 and we will connect you with an expert. See you next time.